Trying to figure out where to invest your money? Maybe you're a new investor, or you just want a more hands-off approach. You've heard of Acorns and Wealthfront, but you're not sure which is the right fit. So, which one should you choose? Let's break it down. Acorns and Wealthfront are both robo-advisors, meaning they use algorithms to manage your investments. But they have very different approaches. Acorns is all about micro-investing. Their most famous feature is roundups, where they take the spare change from your everyday purchases and automatically invest it. If you spend $4.50 on coffee, they'll round it up to $5 and invest that 50 cents. It's a fantastic way to start investing without even thinking about it. They have a simple, fee-based model and a few different tiers that offer features like retirement accounts and even banking. It's perfect for a true beginner who wants to build a habit of saving. Wealthfront, on the other hand, is a more sophisticated platform. While they also have a robo-advisor service, they offer more advanced features. You'll get things like tax loss harvesting, which can help you save on taxes. They also have a popular high-yield cash account and a robust financial planning tool called Path that helps you model different financial goals, like buying a house or retiring early. Wealthfront's fee is a percentage of your assets, which can be more cost-effective as your portfolio grows. It's a great option for investors who are ready for a bit more control and a more comprehensive financial picture. So, how do you choose? If you're just starting out, have a small amount to invest, and want to build the habit of saving with your spare change, Acorns is an excellent place to begin. But if you have a larger portfolio, want access to advanced tools like tax loss harvesting, or are looking for a more holistic financial management platform, Wealthfront is likely the better choice. It all comes down to your personal needs and where you are on your investing journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.